All right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. All right, and welcome to another Portfolio Cash Flow live sessions. All right, with I'm Possible Terence. All right, let's get our session started. All right, and let's see what the market has in store for us. All right, now, so if you're joining me live on Facebook over here or on YouTube, all right, can you click on the like button and also leave a comment? All right, let me know that you're joining me live. All right, and hi, KT. All right, thank you very much for joining me once again. All right, thank you very much for giving me your time. All right, and we'll continue to do so. All right, and run the program. Yeah. All right. Now, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, let's get our trading started. All right. Hi, John over here. All right, John. All right, thank you very much. All right, and the rest of you who are joining me, all right, please look at the banner that is flashing on your screen. All right, so if you're joining us for the first time, all right, can I get you to click on streamyard.com/Facebook? All right, okay, and then make sure that you click on the Facebook banner. All right, that will approve your profile. All right, so that when you leave comments over here, all right, this is not what we'll be seeing. Yeah, all right. So if you don't go to their website over here, all right, we will only be able to see you and address you as Facebook user. Yeah. All right. Now, so if you want to be asking questions, all right, and interacting during the Facebook live session, all right, I will need to know who I'm actually addressing. All right. And for that to happen, yeah, all right. Okay. Now, so all right, I will need all of you to go to streamyard.com/Facebook. All right, okay, and make sure that you approve your profile. All right, okay, so that I'll be able to see you, all right, and address you in person. Yeah, all right, okay, now, so I have a second one over here. All right, now, so please, ladies and gentlemen, all right, go to the banner, all right, before I take it off. All right, so it's streamyard.com/Facebook. All right, and yeah, let's go. All right, now, thank you very much. All right, and before I start my session, all right, okay, disclaimer to everyone. Yeah, okay, now, so this will be, that you must be aware that all forms of trading bears a risk of loss. Yeah, okay, so please do your own due diligence. All right, okay, be aware of all the risk involved when it comes to trading. All right, understand the strategies involved. All right, okay, and do your own risk assessments before deciding to follow any of these trades inside of your own accounts. All right, whatever I'm doing in today's sessions are by no means any form of recommendations at all. All right, they are just a form of education. All right, okay, a session where I run every single Friday, all right, on a week-to-week basis, right, to educate normal investors out there, right, how you can actually build a very simple portfolio, right, that pays you 20% returns and more, right, or a $2,000 cash flow, right, based on $100,000 accounts. Yeah, okay, now we have done so consecutively for 13 months in a row, right, and we're trying to hit the 14th month right now. All right, so whether we can do it or not, all right, I'm not sure. Actually, we have hit it already. All right, we're aiming for the 15th month, if I'm not wrong over here. All right, so let's see if we can continue to do this the 15th month in a row. All right, I don't know because market is getting tougher and tougher and tougher, and all of you know that. Yeah, okay, all of you can see that for yourself. All right, now, so what kind of magic will I be able to pull? All right, what kind of things will I be able to work with Mr. Market, all right, to create this goal for us over here? I don't know right now, okay, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, okay, now, so with that, let's get our session started. All right, and we'll go to the market outlooks first, everybody. All right, now, so let's have a look at the markets. All right, set it up. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now, so this is the SPY chart over here that all of you are seeing. All right, now, and you can see that, even after a week of here, the SPY is still heading upwards. Yeah, okay, so we still have the SPY heading upwards over here. All right, but yesterday was kind of very, very big kind of reversal day. All right, okay, so today, all right, what we have right now is considered an inside day. All right, so although the market seems bullish, all right, although it seems like, we are kind of what? Is there something wrong with my data? It looks like it. Yeah, my data doesn't seem like it's moving. Interesting. Yep, that's correct. Now, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, now, so this is the SPY. Yesterday we had a new high, all right, so today it's up back for 40 points, all right, but, it's considered an inside day, all right, so, you kind of write it off. Okay, but what you have and what you see over here is still that we have that negative divergence on the RSI, all right, so that still provides, that potential downside move, all right, in this market. Yeah, okay, now, so you must always be prepared of that trend, all right? And the market has shown you the danger yesterday, right? Because it opened, right? It kept going higher, right? Before turning and closing at the bottom of the day, all right? So this is what we call the reversal day over here, right? That's why you see a big red candle over here, which is actually not very pretty and not very good for this market, right? But we don't have a follow through today, right? But, we may have a copy, all right? We may have a copy of yesterday's action, which means, all right, it opened strong, right, and then sells off, right, until the end of the day. Why? Because it is Friday, right? Okay, and many traders do not want to hold positions, right, over the weekend, especially with this crazy market right now, right? Okay, so they're going to be very, very wary. Yeah, okay, they're going to be very, very careful. Yeah, okay, and they may want to take their profits before the weekend itself. All right, now, so let's have a look. All right, let's see what's in store. All right, and then prepare ourselves for some trading. Okay, now, so to be honest, I don't know where the market wants to go as well. All right, okay, but with this market, it keeps going up right now. All right, it can continue going up, right, for a little bit longer. All right, okay, because it may want to just hit this top over here, this resistance, right, before it finally breaks through and gives up. Yeah, okay, now, so it's anybody's guess. Okay, but many more stocks are are going up with this market. All right, so it's getting difficult, all right, to find right? It's getting difficult to really find a lot of good bargains out there, right? Where we can sell, our portfolio puts, right, for cash flow, all right? But I'll do the best I can, all right? Let's see where it brings us, okay? Now, so with that, all right, let's get our session started, all right? And let me bring up my portfolio. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is our portfolio over here, and for July, all right, 2023. All right, we are right now on the last weekend, last week of the month. All right, so let's close our books. All right, and we have closed the month at $2,226. Yeah, okay. So as you see on the screen, it's $2,226. All right, we have crossed the goal again. Yeah, okay. Now, so what we need to do right now is to set up for August. All right, so let's see if we can set things up correctly. All right, for the month of August. Yeah, okay, now, so for starters over here, right, there is one position that I would like to close right now, right, and that is the 3M stock position. All right, now, so we sold a covered call which expires last week, all right, and that expired worthless, all right, and this week, all right, earnings have charged the stock higher. All right, now, so as you see over here, all right, earnings have created the gap up, all right, and now the stock is trading right at the 200-day moving average resistance, all right, and definitely I want to take my shares off, all right, and after all, I have a profit to show for as well. All right, so I'm going to close this position over here. All right, and pardon me. All right, I didn't set myself up. All right, my live trading account is not open and the platform is not open yet. So give me a moment, okay, everybody? All right, give me a moment. Let it set up over here. Sorry. Give me a moment. All right, I'm just waiting for the platform to launch, everybody. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, okay, my platform is ready and set up over here. Let me get the thing going over here. All right, and then we can get it done correctly. All right, now, so give me a moment. All right, so where are my 200 shares? There it is. Okay, all right, now, so let's get it started. All right, now, so I'm going to try to close it at the bid and ask price right now. So let's see, 111.69. All right, that should make it. All right, we're done. Yeah, okay, now, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, I've officially sold off my shares. All right, so I sold 200 shares over here, right, for a price of 111.74. Yeah, okay, now, so that position is closed at 111.74. All right, so let's get it recorded down. Okay, awesome. So that brings us a little bit more profits over here, times 200 shares. Oh, that's $348. Not too bad after all. Yeah, okay, now, so that brought us $348 in the coffers, all right, and that would bring the entire August. Yeah, hang on. Nothing's working out. All right, now, so we are at $900. Yeah, okay, so we are halfway there. Not too bad after all. All right, now, so let's get with our first position, assigned stock position, and that's WBA. All right, so we hold the shares at 45. All right, so we hold the shares at 45. All right, so let's see where it is right now. All right, so it hit a peak over here at 31, and now it's turning around. All right, and while it's still turning around, all right, let's see if I can get anything, all right, for maybe a 32.50 call. All right, now, so let's see. Nope, no premiums at all. Can you see? All right, okay, for the 18 August, all right, it's only paying us like what, 8 cents over here. All right, so I would rather wait. Yeah, okay, I'd rather wait. All right, so we'll hang on to the stock, all right, because the stock does look like, all right, it's starting to move up. All right, so that's a good sign anyway. All right, so we'll hang on to it and see where it brings us. All right, and then our next position is Intel. Yeah, okay, so we did sell a covered call last week as well. All right, and that call option expired. All right, and it brought us, we closed it actually. No, it expired over here. All right, it brought us $105, so that was a good one. Yeah, okay, and now we're left with the stock this week, right, at 42.50. All right, where is it right now? Boom, after earnings. Yeah, okay, it has done well. Yeah, okay, so after earnings, right, now it's surging higher. All right, and the stock right now is at about 36, right, with a high here at 37. So this is where, right, we can definitely try to sell some call options. All right, let's see what 1 week can bring us over here. All right, and no, nothing much. All right, let's go to 2 weeks. That's quite decent. All right, so let's try to sell the $39 call options for 2 weeks. All right, because it's going to bring us about 23 cents. Yeah, okay, and that's pretty nifty. All right, we have done this many times on Intel. Yeah, okay, so we are not doing something special. Okay, now, so I know some of you are going to ask me, hey, Terence, you know what, if, 2 weeks time, the stock keeps going higher, all right, and then it goes above 39, all right, and then my answer to you is I'll just be managing it. Yeah, okay, it's something that I've been doing with Intel when I sell the call options, all right, so I'm happy to do it over and over again. Yeah, okay, now, so I'm going to sell it. Done. All right, now, so ladies and gentlemen, I sold 5, all right, I sold 5 of the August 11 $39 call option on Intel, right? Because I do own 500 shares. All right, now, so that will generate additional cash flow for my accounts over here. All right, so let's record it and see where we are. Okay. All right, now, so I'm just going to do a copy and paste. All right, because it's the same setup over here. Okay, good. Right, so today's date is 28th of July. All right, got it for 23 cents. All right, so this adds $115, all right, to the coffers, and we are past $1,000, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so market has made it difficult, but we're still chugging along. Right? Okay, it's not easy to find trades, but with our existing stock holdings, all right, it is moving us along. All right, so that's a good thing as well. So this market up move isn't all that bad. Yeah, okay, isn't all that bad. All right, now next trade over here is Verizon. All right, we are assigning the stock at $50 over here. All right, this one is probably a tough ask. Yeah, all right, now let's have a look. All right, nothing. Yeah, okay, nothing over here. I'm just gonna hold on to the stocks, all right, for now. Yeah, okay, so no actions. Okay, next one over here. Right, our next position is TSN. All right, TSN. Yeah, okay, and we are assigned the stock is 77.50. Yeah, that one's a little bit tough. Yeah, okay, now I say a little bit tough because the stock has gone up, right, but it's still only at $56. Yeah, okay, now so we're gonna continue to pocket the dividends, but look, all right, look, the stock is making a run away, all right, all the way towards earnings over here. All right, and there is a 200-day resistance at about $60. All right, now will I be able to get a $60 pricing for something? All right, let's see, because earnings is around the corner. Right, I don't expect it to break kind of like the $60 mark anytime soon. All right, so $60. All right, when is earnings? Let's have a look. All right, earnings is happening on the 7th of August. All right, so next week's expiry is 4th of August. Can we get anything for 60? No, we can't. So I have to decide if I want to take a chance. All right, and 60 is a gap. Let's do it. Yeah, okay, because if you look at this, right, the RSI is already hyperextended. Yeah, okay, so even if we have a very good earnings report over here, all right, I think that this 200-day moving average line is going to hold the stock. All right, it's going to hold the stock, and we can manage it if it doesn't turn out well. Okay, now so 18th of August, yes, the $60 call. All right, I'm going to try to sell it for 65. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I have 200 shares of this only. All right, so I can do this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's get the trade done over here. All right, now I have two of them. All right, done. Okay, now so I sold the Tyson Foods TSN August 18, $60 call. I sold two of them over here for 67. All right, okay, 67. So it's a little bit better than expected. All right, now so 67 cents. That for two options, that adds another $100 over. All right, so you see where I'm going. Yeah, all right, okay. I'm not really complaining, with my trade actions over here. All right, I'm adding $100 here. I'm adding $100 there. All right, these are all pockets of cash flow. Right, that helps us get closer to our goals. Yeah. All right, now so this one is for 18th of August. All right, so this one is for 60. All right, and we're doing it on the 28th of July. And 67. All right, so as you see, this one brings $134. All right, and we are now at 1,200, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 1,200, and we keep going. All right, we keep going. All right, okay, now we keep going over here. All right, and now HBI. All right, HBI at $9. We're definitely not going to do anything with this stock. All right, but boy, look. All right, the stock has gone up. All right, okay, the stock has a burst up over here. I don't know why. All right, there must be some news or something like that. Yeah, okay, but earnings is going to happen on the 10th of August. All right, on the 10th of August. All right, now, so this stock, not much premium. Can you see? So I'd rather take the chance. All right, so I like Tyson Food over here. All right, where I worry about the earnings. All right, now this. All right, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now for this one over here, all right, you look at this. All right, even if I sell a $6 call option, all right, I'm only going to get paid like $10. All right, so I have two options, so $10 will mean that I get only 20. All right, so it's not going to pay me much. All right, so it's pointless. All right, okay, realizing a loss for just $20, that doesn't make sense. All right, okay, so I'm not going to sell any call options on this trade. Yeah, all right, now so hang on to it. All right, now next one over here. All right, Pfizer. All right, now so we have Pfizer shares at 47.50. All right, where's our Pfizer shares now? 36.25. All right, so once again, no go. All right, but earnings is around the corner, so let's hope for good earnings. All right, we get a bump up. All right, okay, and then we can start selling some calls. Right, similar to what Intel has done. All right, but for now we're holding on to the stock. All right, now next position over here is Macy's. All right, we are signed at $20. Where's Macy's now? All right, okay, Macy's is at $16. All right, so can I sell anything and get some premiums for $20, right? No. All right, it's only worth 3 cents. No go. All right, so we just hold on to it for now. All right, I do have 400 shares. All right, so I'll just, what the heck? What the heck? I'm going to just do this for fun. You know why? All right, because, if I sell a $20 call, right, okay, that expires on 18th of August. Right now, do you realize that, if I give up my shares at $20, all right, I'm going to break even on the shares, right? So I don't lose anything, right? So even by selling this call option for 5 cents, all right, because I have 400 shares, right, it's still going to pay me $20, right, in terms of cash flow. Yeah, okay, now, so for that sake, all right, okay, because cash flow is being very hard to, create in this account, right? Since there's no loss to me, right, I'm building a cash flow portfolio anyway, right? Since there's no loss to me, right, I'm more than happy, right, to generate this cash flow anyway, right? So I will only do it if I can get 5 cents, right? So let's see. I don't know yet, right? But let's see if we can get 5 cents. Nope, it's on queue, everybody. All right, so I've submitted it. All right, it's on queue right now, but it's not filling me for 5 cents. So as you can see over here, my 5 cents is over here. All right, it's just waiting. All right, so I'll update you. All right, okay, before we end the session, if I do get it filled. Yeah, okay, but for now, that's the trade that I've sent in. All right, now our next one over here is 3M. All right, we have closed it. All right, so that's a profit over here. All right, and you know what's the good part? All right, it frees up the capital. That's $22,000 worth. It's freed up. All right, so now my option buying power, all right, my total capital used, all right, on trades is only $137. So we're down to 100%. All right, we're down to 100% exposure. So that allows me to have capital to add on. Yeah, okay, so I can add on new portfolio puts. But the dilemma is the market is not giving us anything. All right, so it's a give and take. Yeah. All right, now next one over here, AT&T. All right, okay, our portfolio. No, this is our shares. All right, okay, I own the shares at $18. All right, where is it right now? All right, it's at $14.50, so I can't do anything. All right, I'll just hold on to it, okay? All right, now next one over here is VFC. All right, we are signed at $22.50. All right, where's the stock? All right, VFC is at $19.67. All right, can I do the same thing? Anything for $22.50? Yes. Looky look, ladies and gentlemen. Right, I can get paid about 35 cents for a $22.50 call. So why wouldn't I? Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, how many shares do I have? All right, I have 200 shares. All right, for 35 cents. All right, so it's also at the ask over here. All right, it's not gonna fill me right away. All right, so we'll leave it on queue. All right, okay, and I'll update you accordingly. Yeah, okay, because the bid and ask was 30-40. All right, so I don't want to disadvantage and take the 30. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna queue myself at 35. Okay, and let's see what the market wants to give me. Okay. All right, now let's move on. All right, our next trade is Pfizer portfolio puts. All right, okay, for 35 strike for August. All right, we sold it for 85 cents. All right, so look, it's I probably have to hold this until the expiry. Yeah, okay, the 35 strike is 31 cents today. All right, okay, I've collected more than half the premiums, but I'm gonna hold it. Should I hold it? Does it make sense to hold it? Earnings is around the corner. I do have a decent profit. 1st of August, let's take this profit. Yeah, okay, now why? All right, now the reason and the logic is very simple because I do have a decent profit on this trade. All right, okay, I can pay 30 cents and get it closed today. Yeah, okay, now so by paying this 30 cents, I will realize the remainder as my profits on this trade itself. Yeah, okay, now, so for the rest, yeah, okay, I still have the stock position, yeah, okay, which continues to run. Yeah, okay, now, so that's why I'm going to make the decision to realize this profit. All right, so let's take it first, all right, and free up some capital. Okay, it's done. Yeah, okay, now I bought two of my portfolio puts. All right, I bought two of my portfolio puts on Pfizer, all right, for 30 cents over here. All right, so that's done. All right, the trade is closed. All right, and where are we? We are here right now. Yeah, okay, now, so let's record this down. All right, 30 cents, right? We made $55 in the end. All right, so this is a 2 month trade, right? Yeah. So I have to close this for 30 cents as well before somebody corrects me. All right, now, so that's 55 for last month and 55 for this month. Yeah, okay, now, so that's done. So it brought my cash flow down to 1,200 for this month so far. All right, now let's move on to our next trade, Apache. All right, now, so Apache over here. I do have right, Apache. I do have the $35 puts, all right, for 117. All right, let's see what it pays us right now. It's only 20, it's only what, 20 cents. I can close it for 19. All right, so definitely I'm gonna do it. Yeah. All right, okay, because there's not much cash flow left available. So let's close it. Yeah, okay, so I have 3 of these options, so I'm gonna close it right now. All right, it's done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all right, I bought 3 of my Apache $35 puts, all right, for 19 cents. Yeah, okay, so that trade is closed officially right now. Yeah, okay. Eileen, all right, why? All right, so Eileen has a question over here. Everybody look at the banner. All right, Terence, why didn't you sell a $110 call option to collect premiums on the stock, all right, rather than sell it? Number one, all right, by selling the stock today, I can realize additional profits. Number two, yeah, okay, this entire portfolio is focused on portfolio puts, right, which takes up only 70% of my capital. Yeah, so you realize by keeping the stock, all right, I need more cash, right, just to hold on to that position. All right, and you saw that it hit the 200-day moving average. So if it starts coming down, right, we can see 3M go all the way back down to 100. Right, this isn't worth the risk because I have a profit. We waited long enough, right? So why don't I get out, right? And actually, if I want to, I can actually go back and sell the 105 puts, yeah, okay, to generate new cash flow, all right? But I don't think this is the best time yet. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna wait. Yeah, okay. So Tanya, I'm sorry I missed out your post as well. So Tanya is asking, you mentioned an insight day. What is it? All right, it's just a way of explaining technicals, right? Okay, where you have today's candle, right, that falls inside the entire range of the day before, right? Now, so what an insight day represents is it represents indecision. Yeah, okay, so yesterday was a big bearish down move, right? Okay, today is indecision, which means there's no follow through. All right, that's all it's trying to say when it shows you an insight day candle. Yeah. Okay, now, so let's come back over here. All right, I've closed the Apache. All right, let's record it down for 19 cents. All right, so we realized 147 for this month. All right, and I realize it's a 2 month trade as well. All right, so I've got to go back and adjust last month, 19 cents. All right, there we go. All right, so it brings us down to 2,167 for the last month. All right, but it's still good anyway. Yeah, okay, now, so we are at Verizon. All right, so Verizon, $33 puts for 68. All right, where is it today? All right, Verizon, $33 puts for 68. All right, it is worth 22 now. All right, it's worth 22 now. All right, now, so do I still think Verizon can go higher? Yes, I do. All right, yes, I really do. All right, but I just want to see, can I close this? Can I close this? All right, can I sell this September? Now, all right, you realize why I say it doesn't serve the purpose, right? Because if I close this trade today, all right, okay, I've got to pay about 22 cents, 22 cents to close it, right? Okay, and my intention was to go ahead and sell the 33 strike for the following month, right? But if I split if I split that over the next 2 months, right, all I'm getting over here is another $20. So I'm getting back the same. So if that's the case, I would rather hold the position, yeah, okay, not close it, right, than to close it anyway, because it doesn't make any change, right? So we're just going to keep that position, right? Why am I keeping that position? Because it's safe, right? Number one, because it's safe. Earnings is already over, is reported, yeah, okay, and there's not many trades out there. Yeah, okay, so $20 is still cash flow. I'm going to hold it all the way to the end because I'm very comfortable with this stock and where it is right now. Yeah, okay, now, so Verizon, we're holding it. All right, next one over here, AT&T 14 puts. Yeah, okay, I guess we're holding it as well. Yeah, okay, no moves on that. All right, so yeah, not much difference. We're going to hold it. All right, and our last our last portfolio puts is on Dominion. All right, so Dominion, all right, it has earnings coming up over here. Can we close it for a profit? I don't know. Let's have a look. All right, okay, I sold the $50 puts for 61 cents. What is it worth today? August. All right, $50 puts 20 cents. I'm going to close it. All right, why? It's not worth taking the earnings risk. Yeah, okay, because earnings, although I think that it'll do well, but it can always flip around and get me wrong. All right, so I have a profit, all right, in what? Just 1 or 2 weeks of trading? I think just 1 week, actually. All right, I'm going to take it. Yeah, okay, now, so $50 puts. All right, let's see if I can close it for 18. No. $50 puts. Oh, man, it jumped. Darn, it jumped. I should have just taken 20 earlier. Okay, all right, I got it. Yeah, okay, now, so ladies and gentlemen, I closed my Dominion $50 puts over here. I closed 3 of them by paying 22 cents. Yeah, okay, so you see these are failed trades over here, so I closed it by paying 22 cents. Okay, now, so let's record it down. All right, 22 cents. So that brings me $117 in cash flow. Yeah, okay, this trade was just done last week. All right, so it was a good close, actually. All right, and 1,001. Okay, all right, so we are at 1,001 for the month of August, so we're still in good track. Yeah, okay, not the best, but we're in good track. All right, and you realize we did close some positions. Right, we are underexposed now. Right, it's been a long time, but we are underexposed, ladies and gentlemen. We are at like 86% exposure. All right, now, do I have a trade in mind over here today? I do actually. Okay, now, and what's the trade I have in mind today? All right, it is going back to Gillette. Yeah, okay, now, why? Because if all of you remembered, right, I actually sold, right, a Gillette $75 puts, right, okay, not too long ago. All right, I can show you that trade. All right, we did it in July. All right, it was just here. All right, I sold the Gillette, right, $75 puts for 21st of July on the 9th of June. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so that means that 75 strike, all right, is something decent, all right, and you see that strong support over here, all right, that's why we chose that strike, all right, it ran all the way up, hit the 200-day moving average, and it came back down. Yeah, now, so while I know that earnings is around the corner, yeah, okay, but what happens over here is I'm going to pick a lower strike, yeah, okay, for this trade, right, okay, and bank on the earnings. Yeah, okay, I'm going to bank on the earnings over here, right? It's rare that I do something like that, right? And I have to be very confident in the company before I'm willing to do, these kind of actions over here, right? Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 72.50 trade, right, which you realize is $5 away. All right, so that gives me a pretty nice safety distance. Yeah, okay, a pretty nice safety distance. So I'm happy to take it. All right, and it still pays me about 40 cents. All right, I'm going to try it for 42. All right, okay, all right, now, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to sell 3 of them over here. All right, can I get them for 42? Ah, man, somebody jumped my gun. All right, done. All right, okay, I'm not gonna fight, yeah, okay, because I just want to get the trade off, all right, so that we can definitely record it. All right, so GILD 7250 puts, I sold 3 of them for 42. All right, I got 42 somehow. Yeah, okay, all right, now so it's done for 42 over here. All right, so let's get it recorded. Let's trade 98, all right, for our portfolio. All right, so 7250. Right on the 28th of July. All right, I've got 42. Okay, now so that pays me $126 in cash flow. So I'm back to I'm back to $1,200. Okay, all right, now but that requires some exposure. So $15,000 for this trade. So I'm back to exposure of 98% right now. Okay, 98%. All right, now can I take any further trades over here? All right, let me have a look. All right, let me have a look at a couple of stocks right now. All right, and see if we have anything on hand. I don't really think so. No. All right, so I'm gonna hold it there over here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we are at $1,200 for this week. All right, I'm not gonna add any more positions. We're gonna wait one more week for the market and then come back. All right, and then see if we can churn more. All right, in the coming week ahead. All right, so for now, all right, and today this is all the actions I have. All right, I'm gonna leave the remaining time, all right, to questions. So if any of you have questions, please go ahead and throw them out. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes before we end off this Facebook live sessions for today. Yeah, okay, all right, now so if you have questions for me, please go ahead, all right, and type them out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Anthony. All right, let's have a look. All right, so you're saying that my Gillette should be closed with half. So this was for 21st of July. Was Gillette here? Yep. Have it. Gillette, have it. Yep. Okay. Thank you very much. Still $2,000, Anthony. All right, we still at $2,000, so that's all good. Yeah. All right, thank you for bringing it up. Yeah, all right, now it's always good to be accurate. Yeah, okay, sorry I missed it out. And Facebook user, all right, remember you do have to approve your profile. Yeah, okay, you do have to approve your profile so that I can see it. Yeah, okay, before I answer your question. Yeah, okay, so please go to the link. Yeah, all right, so Henry, all right, great to have you back over here. How about the VFC call? All right, now, so I didn't sell, the VFC call is not filled yet. Yeah. All right, so if you see my field trade order so far, all right, the VFC call doesn't appear over here. So I'm going to leave it open, right? That means I'm going to leave it to work for the rest of today. Yeah, so if it does get filled, I will just leave a comment, right, inside the Facebook live session, right, to update all of you, all right, okay, where on the status of it. Okay, Henry? Okay, so if it does get filled, I'll just update on a post inside the Facebook live, how do we say it? I'll leave a comment inside the Facebook live post, all right, of the recording of the session, all right, after. Okay. All right, so it seems like I do not have any further questions over here from any of you. All right, okay, thank you, Henry, for acknowledging. All right, so if that's the case, all right, before all of you do take your leave, all right, if you find that I benefited you in my sharing today, all right, or if you have picked up something, all right, if you have picked up something extra, yeah, okay, and learned something from it, all right, can I just get all of you to hit the like button, right, on the Facebook itself, all right, and share it out to your friends, okay, on both Facebook and YouTube. all right, okay, so that we can reach out to more people, all right, and we have more people coming over here, all right, and interacting as well. All right, now, so I hope to have my sessions over here on Friday, benefiting more common investors. All right, so I seek your help. All right, okay, and we continue to do this live together. Yeah. All right, so with that, all right, I'll end this Facebook Live session today. Everybody, have a great night. All right, and I'll see all of you next Friday again. Okay. All right, bye bye for now. See you soon.